Hello and welcome back to my new video. And in today's video I'm going to explain to you guys how to get the saver script and how to install it into your game and also what everything is. Okay, so we have someone that just joined this game, but basically this is a tryout game where you can try out this script first before you purchase it. I will leave down the link to it as well so you can take a look at it. But yeah, I'll just showcase real quick what it comes with before we get into Studio and how to actually get it into your game. Okay, so first of all, it comes with the leaderboards. So you have like a top spender leaderboard that gets like updated every few seconds. A top buyer as well, and a live purchase. So if I buy something in this game, it will show up here on the leaderboard. And I can showcase that right now. I hope if I have something that I didn't buy yet. Yes, okay. Alright, I can buy this for example. And when I do, it also, like this sound, has a cute ROBLOX effect. And then on the live purchase board, it will showcase like my username and what I bought. Alright, so that's just the basics of it. As you can see, it also comes with a few buttons. So you have a shopping cart, which is this thing. And here you can add stuff into it. So for example, if I go back to this outfit and I want to add this to my cart, it will showcase here. And it's a maximum of 20 items because Roblox has this system where you can only buy 20 items at once and else it will like block it. So that's why. Alright. Then you have a wardrobe system. Here I can, for example, like change the color of my bundle. So I can change to green, for example, blue, whatever I want. You can also choose like individual limbs. You can also play around with the scale. So I can make it higher. I can make the width bigger, head smaller, whatever I want, proportions. And then I look different. But if you want to reset your avatar, you can do that as well with just an easy button. You can save your outfit to like your Roblox profile or your current avatar. And also it will showcase like which outfit you have in your favorites. So you can favorite something and then it will show up in favorites. And then from there you can try it on. And also a very cool feature from this script, because you guys asked me this a couple of times in my videos, is how to turn on this to put stuff on sale like bundles or dynamic heads. So with this script that is possible. It's hard for me to showcase because I already own this bundle, but I will showcase it in the studio as well. This is a bundle, and basically we can add something to the outfit which makes whatever you put inside of it on sale, right? It goes for the head and everything. And what Saver's Kit also comes with is a way to hide these specific parts of the body in the UI. So it will look neater and more clean. Just like an example, for example, here you can see like there's no legs, no torso, no arm. So it looks a lot cleaner in that way. So I will be showcasing that as well. Alright, so to get this script, we have to go to Discord first. So let's go. Okay, to purchase the script, you have to be in Saver server on Discord. I will leave down a link to this server as well, like an invite link. But if it doesn't work, it's better to join discord.gg/xlx because that way I can always share with you like the most updated version of the invite link. Anyways, we have when you join Saver Stack, obviously you have like rules and everything, but you want to go to purchase if you want to purchase the item. And if you just want to take another look, you can go to outfit stand and then it will tell you like whatever it comes with and also the price for it. So the price for this kit is 8,000 Robux, and that's like including with tax, and 20 USD with PayPal. So you can either choose for Robux or PayPal, whatever works for you. But obviously like the 20 USD is cheaper than Robux. Then if you have bought the system, then you will be able to have access like to the whole server, and then you can go to outfit stand file and you see then Saver's outfit stand RBXM. And once you download it, we will go to Studio. Okay, so now we're into Studio. And we want to now import obviously the script from Saver into this file. Obviously, if you have like a whole script already inside of it, then you have to delete that first, all out of the different places that you put in scripts, and then you can go ahead and enter this new script. So we go here and we go import Roblox model. Then we grab the one that we just downloaded, so the Saver Outfit Stand file. And as you can see, we now have like a bunch of like rigs and the leaderboards. And that's about it for now. So what the first thing we want to do is ungroup this. As you can see, it comes inside all in one model. So we can start and ungroup this. And as you can see, then we have like multiple models. Alright. Comes with an instruction, but for now, since it's already a video, I will be explaining that to you, so you can delete it. Then it is like speaking for itself, basically, so ungroup and put it in replicated storage. So we put it in replicated storage and we ungroup it just by right-clicking it. Server script servers, we put it in server script servers and ungroup it. And then starter GUI, this will give us the buttons and everything, and we'll ungroup it. And then this is workspace, so it's already in workspace itself. We can ungroup it. And now you see like it comes with like multiple folders. It gives us a folder with models. This is basically just a stand. It gives us a folder with outfits, the outfits folder. And it gives us a outfit live purchase board and the outfit leaderboards. What is very important is that these three actually, stay in their folders as how it's like presented and how it should be. So it has to stay like that. Obviously, you can move them around, but for example, if you would be like, for example, like cutting it out and then pasting it again, then it's not in its folder anymore. So you have to make sure that it ends up in its folder. Okay, and then, as you can see, for our outfits, they look all naked, right? But if we look, for example, to this outfit and we open it, then we can see it has a humanoid description. Oh, wait. This is a wrong example because it isn't pretty, it's an empty rig. This one is the one that was with like the maid outfit, right? So if we look, then we see like multiple IDs. So this outfit is not actually naked. Why is this good? Because this updates with like whatever is on the humanoid description, right? So if we go into game now, we have to make sure first that our experience settings are correct. So in security, we have to allow the HTTP request, and at least like these three have to be on. Then I save it. Now we can run and test it out. So as you see, these outfits now change into their outfits. So this was the naked one, but it's wearing an outfit. So it actually looks at whatever is on the outfit, not on whatever is on the outfit, but whatever is inside of the outfit, the humanoid description, because that's what the script looks at and what is needed, which is great. Because there's lately so many like different like bugs with the scripts, and right, like Roblox Studio in itself, like the outfits like get messed up, and if you use a free outfit kit, then it usually isn't like updated with the humanoid, but with however it looks, so then it will look also like broken in game. Alright, anyways, with that rant, this is all you get with the Savers kit, which is amazing, obviously, but if you have like other outfits, you will keep adding them into this folder. So it speaks for itself, like how to ungroup and everything. It's very simple. But if you want to change, for example, some stuff, then it can get like a little bit trickier for you. We can go ahead and, for example, like customize these buttons. Now, I'm not going to showcase like how to do that like very like extraordinary, but we're just going to change, for example, like the color, right? So we go to Starter GUI, we open this Outfit Stand GUI, and if you hold Shift, like on the favorite is like the first one for me. So if I hold Shift and click on Wardrobe, it's all selected now. And we can go ahead and change the background color. So for example, like a more lighter color, maybe pink, red, blue, whatever you want, right? So now this is a different color. You can also change the font, but do not change the font in here because that's not what is showing up. It's this one. So if we want to do it all at the same time, you can hold Control and then select the text labels. And then we can search up fonts in properties. Oh, font. And we can change it from Vidoka 1, for example, to Great Vibes, and now we have like a very different look, right? We can also change the leaderboards to match the color. So as you can see, like it comes with like a mesh. So if I type in color, then we can change the color of the boards as well. For example, to pink or whatever you want, right? And as you can see, they're also like a little bit transparent. You can also change that even. You can make it more transparent, or for example, have it just completely solid. So by changing it, it's in 0. If you want to make these boards bigger, what I would recommend to do is first put these just like in a model, so group it as a model while you have these folders selected, because remember, we have to keep them in their folder. And now it's a model. We can scale them up however big you want. We can ungroup them, and now it's still in their folders, but these are not the correct size. Just to give you like a good like example, like to see like how it will look in like reality, because it will change to the size of whoever's bundle it is. Then you can put it here, and then you know like to put it closer to the boards, because else they are very far away. Alright, so that's just for the customization of this kit. Then for like the outfits itself and everything, you will have to look at my other videos, because I already explained that before. The next thing that I do want to explain about outfits though is how to put the bundles on sale. So as you can see, Saver comes with like an extra thing, and it says bundles and hide items right inside of it. So this string value, if you look up in the properties, it comes with this value, this number. This is the bundle that was on this like Chibi bundle, and this will then show up in the UI to buy it. If you have like a game with all like the same bundles, all Chibi outfits, they will keep adding just this one to all of those outfits. If you use a mixture of bundles, right? So for example, like a torso and the legs from 2 different bundles, you only have to add add a comma and then type in your new bundle, right? And you can add like multiple. You just keep adding this comma after it. Alright. Then for hide items, it works the same. Whatever you want to hide, you paste the ID in here. So if I want to hide, for example, the head, right? And I will just delete this made up number for now, because I want to showcase. If I want to hide the head, I just type in head while I have the humanoid description selected. I copy this number, and then in hide items, I just paste it in there. If I want to add multiple, again, we can do that. You can just then start adding the legs. And just a little trick that I like to do with this is just to keep them in my command bar, right? Because then I can copy it from there, then I don't have to keep switching between them. So I have the legs, the arm, and just to showcase, I don't want to add the right arm just so I can show you that it will like still stay in the UI in that case. And the torso. Okay. And then in hide items, we can place it behind this. Alright. So now if I start, it should be only showing one of the arms, because I didn't add that one in. Alright. And as you can see, I was correct. Only one arm, the right arm, is still in the UI. So if I would copy this ID and then paste it again in there, then it will be just hiding. And so you can just do that for one, for example, if you have all the same type of bundles, and then just select all the outfits that also need these 2 string values. You can just copy, select your outfits, and then right click and then paste into selected, and then it will always all have this like bundle hide items thing. In this case, I'm not going to do that for these outfits because they're all different and not using the same bundle. Now we are at the end of this video. Now you know how to add your script inside of your game and how to change like the colors and everything. I just wanted to show you guys like what I did personally. I changed the buttons around, and if you, for example, like look into an outfit, then you can see like it's completely like customized. I also hid the items, and since I own this head, it will say like off sale, but when I do not own this, it will be on sale. And then besides that, I also added these meshes, so it has like more of a rounder look. It's just to match my game. And yeah, I changed all of these different frames. If you want me to explain that in the next video, I can definitely do that. Just keep in mind that you will need to have like a little bit more patience because it's a bit more difficult. But yeah, I'm happy to explain anything you would like to see in the next video. Alright, I hope you guys can get creative and get your game started. And have a nice day. Bye bye.